Drop this powder into the toilet bowl. It will remove stubborn residue and limescale. Without chlorinated and harmful chemicals, you'll get rid of stains and dirt. Cleaning the toilet has never been so simple. You no longer need to ventilate the bathroom during cleaning to get rid of harmful bleach fumes. This powder will tackle a dirty toilet much faster. Prepare a few powdery products, and the residue in the toilet will disappear. Start with regular flour. Flour adheres well to dirt, making it easier to remove. Our grandmothers already used its cleaning properties. Put 3 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt acts as an antiseptic, disinfectant, and abrasive. Add a little baking soda. It has disinfecting, whitening properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. In a few seconds, you'll make a super powder for cleaning dirt. Before cleaning the toilet, first spray its surface with plain water. Then sprinkle the dirt with this powder. Wait about 20 minutes. After this time, take a brush and scrub the toilet. You'll see that the dirt will come off quickly. The toilet will be cleaner than ever.